Ummeli kaMthokoziseni Maphisa namhlanje wenze izethulo zokuthi kungani efuna ukuthi asulwe amacala abhekene nawo. Uthi uBrigadier Gininder ngesikhathi embopha wayenganabo ubufakazi, kodwa wambopha esebenzisa ubufakazi ayebuthole kwabanye abasolwa.
Brigadier Gininder considered in his evidence in chief that he arrested the accused, that is accused number 4, based on information provided to him, that is Brigadier Gininder, by accused number 2 in his confession statement, that he, Brigadier Gininder, had no evidence against the accused, that is accused 4, before the confessions were obtained.
Uthi ngokomthetho awukwazi ukubopha umuntu usebenzisa into oyizwe ngabantu.
Confessions not admissible against another in terms of Section 219 of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977. Section 219 of the Act provides that no confession made by any person shall be admissible as evidence against another person.
Uthi ngisho nemininingwane yomsolwa ye-account yasebhange akuveli ukuthi ikhona imali ayithola njengenkokhelo yokubulala umeyiwa.
There is nothing in the bank records, my lord, that suggests that accused 4 received any proceeds from the mastermind for the killing of the deceased.
uMaphisa usolwa kanye nabanye abane kuleli cala. Nabo bake bazama ukufaka isicelo sokuthi lihoxiswe icala ababhekene nalo lokubulala umeyiwa, kodwa-ke basihoxisa futhi isicelo sabo. Njengamanje uMaphisa nguyena kuphela onqume ukuthi aqhubeke nalesi sicelo. Umbuso uthi umfanekiso womsolwa owakhishwa ngamaphoyisa emva kokudutshulwa kukameyiwa kwakungowakhe uMaphisa. Ummeli wakhe unethemba lokuthi izethulo azenze enkantolo namhlanje zinento ephathekayo ekutheni adedelwe kuleli cala.